Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to visit a Commbank branch but couldn't figure out how to schedule an appointment? It's a common dilemma, and it can be frustrating. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to book an appointment at Commbank so you can avoid long wait times and get your banking needs sorted efficiently. Commbank, with its extensive network of branches across Australia, is a popular choice for many people's banking needs. However, visiting a branch without an appointment can often lead to long wait times and frustration. To ensure a smooth and efficient banking experience, it's highly recommended to book an appointment beforehand. Step 1. Visit the Commbank website. The first step to booking an appointment at Commbank is to visit their official website. You can do this by simply typing Commbank into your search engine. Once you're on the website, look for the Find a Branch option. This is usually located in the top navigation bar. Step 2. Locate your nearest branch. After clicking on Find a Branch, you'll be presented with a map or a list of Commbank branches. Use the search bar or filters to locate your nearest branch. You can filter by location, services offered, or other criteria to find the most suitable branch for your needs. Step 3. Select the branch and service. Once you've found your desired branch, click on it to view more details. You'll see information about the branch's address, opening hours, and available services. Select the branch and the specific service you need to book an appointment for. Step 4. Choose your appointment time. After selecting the branch and service, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred appointment time. The website will display available time slots based on the branch's schedule and the demand for the chosen service. Choose a time that suits your availability and preferences. Step 5. Provide your contact information. Before confirming your appointment, you'll need to provide your contact information. This typically includes your name, phone number, and email address. This information will be used to confirm your appointment and send you reminders. Step 6. Confirm your appointment. Once you've entered your contact information, review the details of your appointment, including the date, time, branch, and service. If everything is correct, confirm your appointment by clicking on the Confirm or Submit button. Additional tips. Check for online banking options. Before booking an appointment, consider whether your banking needs can be met through Commbank's online or mobile banking services. This can often save you time and effort. Be flexible with your appointment time. If your preferred time slot is not available, be open to considering alternative options. Sometimes, there may be last-minute cancellations or changes that can free up appointments. Arrive on time. It's important to arrive at your appointment on time to avoid any delays or inconveniences. Arriving early can also give you some extra time to prepare or address any last-minute questions. Booking an appointment at Commbank is a straightforward process that can save you time and frustration. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily schedule an appointment and ensure a smooth and efficient banking experience. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and book your appointment at Commbank today. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in your banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.